exploring America's first national park. Yellowstone National Park's story of becoming the cornerstone of American conservation is a tapestry of discovery, advocacy, and visionary legislation. From its early days of enchantment and mystery to its present status as a beacon for environmental preservation, Yellowstone's tale is one of humanity's increasing respect and reverence for the natural world. This narrative highlights the park's unparalleled beauty and ecological importance and signifies a pivotal shift in our collective approach to protecting such extraordinary landscapes for all time. The establishment of Yellowstone National Park. Yellowstone's journey to becoming America's first national park is a story of awe, advocacy, and good timing. Before it was a household name, Yellowstone was largely unexplored, and its landscapes were more myth than documented reality. This changed in the late 19th century when expeditions ventured into these wild lands, revealing wonders that would capture the nation's imagination. The concept of preserving such a place was revolutionary. At the time, land was seen as a resource to be used, whether for mining, logging, or settlement. Setting aside a significant expanse of land purely for its natural beauty and public enjoyment was unheard of. The establishment of Yellowstone as a national park laid the foundation for the conservation ethic that would eventually create an entire system of national parks and protected areas worldwide. It underscored the importance of preserving natural beauty and biodiversity for its own sake, a concept that was revolutionary at the time and remains essential today. Ecological and cultural significance. Yellowstone National Park, nestled in the western United States, stands as a testament to the magnificence and complexity of nature. Its designation as the first national park in 1872 signaled a profound shift in how societies value and interact with the natural world. However, Yellowstone's significance extends far beyond its pioneering status in conservation. The park is an ecological wonder, boasting a mosaic of ecosystems that are a sanctuary for a wide variety of wildlife. It is also a cultural cornerstone that reflects centuries of human history intertwined with the natural landscape. Culturally, Yellowstone is a rich tapestry woven from the narratives of Native American tribes, explorers, conservationists, and tourists. For thousands of years, multiple Native American tribes have viewed the park's lands as sacred, valued for their abundant resources and spiritual significance. Further, Yellowstone's cultural treasure is manifested through its influence on art, literature, and photography. Many artists and writers have drawn inspiration from the sublime beauty of the park's landscapes, contributing to a cultural phenomenon that romanticizes the American West and underscores the importance of wilderness in the human psyche. Yellowstone's awe-inspiring vistas continue to capture millions' imaginations as a muse for creativity and a source of rejuvenation for the spirit. Yellowstone's influence on national and global conservation. Yellowstone National Parks, sprawling across Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho, is not just a haven for wildlife and geothermal wonders. It stands as a cornerstone in the narrative of global conservation. Since its establishment in 1872, this iconic park has ignited a worldwide movement toward preserving the natural world, serving as a blueprint and inspiration for creating protected areas across the globe. At the heart of Yellowstone's influence is its pioneering status as the first national park in the world. This groundbreaking moment marked a pivotal shift in human perspective, acknowledging the intrinsic value of nature and the necessity of safeguarding it for future generations. Culturally, Yellowstone has captured the imagination of people worldwide. Its geysers, hot springs, and majestic wildlife have made it a symbol of the American wilderness, celebrated in art, literature, and photography. This cultural significance has played a crucial role in popularizing the concept of wilderness protection and fostering a deeper appreciation for the natural world among the public. Furthermore, Yellowstone set the stage for the conservation discourse to evolve, incorporating broader environmental concerns and recognizing the interconnectedness of ecosystems. The park has been instrumental in discussions about climate change, habitat destruction, and species extinction, as a stark reminder of what's at stake if we fail to act. Yellowstone National Park has been much more than a sanctuary for wildlife and a haven for geothermal wonders. Its establishment sparked a global conservation movement, inspiring the creation of national parks worldwide. Through its years of scientific research, cultural significance, and efforts to balance human activity with nature protection, Yellowstone continues to shape national and global conservation efforts, offering lessons in the enduring value and challenges of preserving the natural world. You can read more about this by visiting the link on caption section. Thank you for watching.